Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Babe, come try these. Try these. Try them. They're my favorite. Try them. They're really nice. They're my favorite lollies. No, try them. No, let's try them.
Yeah, try to find me on something. See the camera rolling.
Try this lolly, guys. It's really nice. He won't trust me. Just trust me.
Just you on what?
Just try.
You bite it first. That's the only way.
But I can't. I got one in my mouth already.
Well, let me see you do it.
What do you mean?
Let me see you do it first. The camera is very dusty, by the way.
Alright,
see
ready?
the camera rolling, so I know.
Done.
So what's that? Then why you wanted me to try it on camera? I don't get it.
Because I was going to tell a story. Got too much sugar in my mouth. Here. Try. Just eat the damn thing. Put it in your mouth.
What is this?
No, eat it. It gets better. It gets better. Go suck it. Lick it.
I don't do that.
Yeah, but just suck the damn lolly.
Why it's so sour? You're laughing, babe. I know that something is wrong.
What do you mean?
Why would you be laughing?
I'm not, babe.
You gotta catch me on a little.
Babe, it will get better. Just trust me.
How better is it getting for you?
Nice, here. Eat mine then. Okay? That's exactly what that one's gonna taste like eventually, Kim.
So what's the point of hiding the camera for me not to see?
Because they're called Warhead. They're sour lollies.
They are very sour though. Can't be my job.
What? What language you talking?
My job one.
Oh.
Can't feel.
Let's go to the movies. Go get a shower. Oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island Family. It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy Africa.
And Bobo is not here.
Yeah guys, so.
Bobo is at home, so
Yeah.
family. But
Yeah,
we
man.
just decided to come today.
Movie. Yeah guys.
Yeah, we came to the movies to watch the
Venom. Venom it's called.
Yeah, Venom.
And another thing guys, we recently came here when the new 007 came out.
Yeah,
guys,
just
and
came out.
yeah, so at the moment it released the same day we came here, right?
Yeah, I got hair somewhere there.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we're really excited to watch it, like to know that like some of that clips, some of the movie was filmed like right behind my backyard basically. You see it, so in Jamaica. You see me? So yeah, I get to see a lot of Port Antonio as well. Didn't get to see much local people, even though some of them did audition, but regardless.
Which I found it really
Yeah,
strange.
because they had all those people that auditioned for the film and we didn't even see one of them. You understand? But other than that, the film was good. You understand? And I encourage you guys to go check
Do you know
it
what
out.
I reckon? They were waiting for him to audition to give him the part so that he can be in it, but he didn't go because the shyness got the best of him.
Oh my god.
I told him to go. We were on the phone, obviously.
But I'm not good at acting though, so I just feel like it wasn't for me.
For real, you're good at acting.
No, I'm not
yes,
good
you
at
are
that.
good at acting.
No.
He is. He's good at acting.
No. But yeah, it was a good movie though. It's like what, is it like 3 hours long? I think it was like 3. Was it 3 hours? I believe
Yeah,
so.
about 3 hours.
Yeah, so alright, now we're gonna watch Venom,
Hey,
guys.
something's on my face. What's up?
I'm not sure.
What is it?
I don't know.
Is it something?
It's gone. Hold on. Yeah guys, so that's what's up. You guys know already, we can't take you inside, so Yeah, man.
Yeah, we
Catch-
can take you inside.
Yeah. Catch you later, guys.
Bye, guys.
After this.
So, guys, we're at the movies.
Yeah, we're
and-
inside.
Yeah.
We're here
and
pretty early.
We're here pretty early. Oh, we've got like 10 minutes.
Yeah, like
I might
10 minutes.
Blind everyone. Yeah, so we're just here chilling. I don't know if you can see much.
Yeah, it's really dark. A movie
quite
just ended.
It might just be us in here.
Imagine that.
Double double.
Oh my god.
No, I'm joking. I know it's PG, guys. It's PG.
Just imagine that.
No, we only play with you. Make me say things I shouldn't say.
I didn't make you say
No,
that.
but you make me say things anyway.
Oh my god. Well, yeah, guys. Well, let's go and kill some time.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, so we'll catch you guys a little more from now. Yeah, man. So stay blessed. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we've just finished the movie.
We in the clear now.
We just finished the movie and
guys.
it was really good.
Yeah, it was
so
really
go
good.
watch it, Venom.
Yeah,
It's a really
Venom.
good movie.
It was funny
It
with
was
Venom.
fun. It was fun.
Yeah, just go watch
We
it.
didn't talk about the 007, how they didn't mention Jamaica. They mentioned Cuba. but
Yeah,
not
Cuba,
Jamaica.
and they didn't even mention, say, yo, we took a trip to Jamaica and all that, you see me?
Yeah,
But-
in the movie, like they talked about Cuba, but they
Yeah.
didn't talk about Jamaica. So
You see me?
that was kind of sad because,
Yeah.
you know, I think that they should do more films in Jamaica.
Yes,
Definitely.
but yeah, man. And the ending of it, we're not gonna say what happened in the ending, but it was sad to see
It
what
was
happened
sad
in the
to see
ending.
the ending.
So make sure to go check out 007.
Check out 007
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's
10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Venom was great.
Yeah, Venom though was really good, entertaining, funny, action at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
All
anyway,
right,
guys,
guys.
you can't see us anymore.
Stay cool.
Blessings.
Bless.
The next day.
Guys, welcome back to the island family.
Welcome back, beautiful
Yo.
people.
It's your girl Maria,
The island boy, Africa,
Africa.
and baby
And
Island.
Baby Island.
Yeah, man.
Hey, don't go like that, mister. Look, he's only joking.
Yeah.
Guys, today we're here at the beach, as you can see, lovely setting behind us. We are just linking up with some friends of ours. She's my friend that she's about to have a baby in the next few weeks. So yeah, she's coming down and we're just gonna have some, you know, sandwiches, you know, nothing too fancy. Not a cookout unless babe really wants to cook out.
No, it's not a cookout.
Yeah, it's not a cookout today, guys, just simple stuff. Gonna have a quick swim before they arrive. I thought let's get in before anyone gets here.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be a beautiful day. We don't know how people, once again, we don't know how my friend feels about being on camera, but I'll find out and see.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're gonna go for a swim. We're gonna link up and have a good old time.
Yeah, man. So
Good
what's
on.
this beach called, babe? Wanna tell them?
To be honest with you, I'm not too sure what this beach is called.
Okay. Show them the video.
I'm not too sure, guys. I'll find out then. I'll let you know.
Yeah.
And if you all know that you've seen us, we haven't been wearing masks because we've been exempt now. Everyone's exempt from wearing masks.
Yeah.
So you don't particularly need a mask now to be out in public. So that's a vibe. And yeah, still gonna be caution, you know, keep our 1.5 meter distance. Yeah, so. But on the good side, or the bad side, I should say, me and babe, I don't know if we've eaten something that's made us a bit sick or what, but we're both not feeling 100.
Or not.
But I didn't want to cancel this day today because, you know, you can't do that to friends.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, so people are out and about, riding their bikes, doing things, and dogs are about too, as you can see. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Island boy.
Island, he's like, I'm a bird.
Yeah, guys. So this is the beautiful beach we're at. Very lovely. Really nice to fly the drone today, guys.
Yeah, beautiful.
So we're gonna go in now.
Yeah, we're gonna go in. Let's go.
This is Mr. Island. Oh, the sun is nice. Hopefully it's not cold.
Yep, I can feel it already.
Not too bad.
Huh?
not too bad, but it's gonna be a hard one to get him at first all the time. Oh, it's wavy though.
Got to leave my hat. Okay. Here, babe, hold the camera.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's beautiful. What you have to say, Island? It's a bit wavy right here, guys. But the water is beautiful though. It's always hard to get in at first, guys. Yeah. Look at this wave. Oh. See that bubble? Look at this one, guys. Oh my god. That is massive. No, I'm scared. It's just right here though, guys. Once you go across it, it's calm.
Ready, guys? We're going in. Woo! Nice. That's it. Yeah. Nolly.
Whatever it is.
Ready? Mama got you. Look, hi people. Hello. Hi daddy. Yay! For real? You guys see me going on?
Nice.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Yay!
Island boy.
Good job, Bubba. Guys, watch this. What are you doing? What are you doing? You doing work? Yeah? Come on, continue doing the work. Come on. Good boy.
So guys, just quickly, I want to show you, I just received my fishing license. Yeah guys, you know the Island boy is official out here now, you see me? See that? I also get this with it as well, guys. So this is a chart of the fish, all the fishes, and I'm guessing the size. Yeah, it has all the information as well. So yeah, you don't know your boy is official out here now.
Oh my god, the glare is so bad out here. So guys, we're here with Babe. We're here to show you our garden and how good it's growing and everything. Excuse the washing in the back. It's been raining here for like a couple of weeks now.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, welcome to the Island family, Island tribe.
Yeah,
Here's our garden.
hey guys, so we have pumpkin and we have cucumber, but we have cucumber bearing so far.
We're gonna pull this one out today, guys.
And it's really huge, massive.
It's big.
Yeah.
Looks like a big. Not saying nothing, guys. I'm gonna get in trouble.
Yeah.
Get your mind out of the gutter, Maria.
And
It's big.
we also have some tomato here as well. Some tomato, but we need some sticks for really hold them up, which we don't have much stick right now. But yeah, and look guys, I have okra.
Wow, that's big.
Let me move this rock melon out of the way. It's growing on that. So yeah, I have some nice okra here, guys. Yeah man, so we'll pick them there as well.
Oh, really nice,
Yeah, guys. There's a few little stuff in so far. There's another cucumber right there.
Another 2.
Yeah, here's one more again. Another one right there. So yeah, cucumber them are coming real fast.
Wow.
See it, so Yeah, man, little gardener.
What's
go on
down
with this
there?
thing, you know?
So guys, this is the cucumber. It's pretty big.
Massive.
Okay, if you're a lady. I'm joking.
Nah.
I'm only joking. No, here guys, this is the cucumber that's from our garden and our okra.
Yeah, so okra and cucumber so far. Is it, so many more to come.
Yeah. Let's go guys.
Yeah,
Let's go
man.
try it out.
Yeah.